In a beautiful green field lived a small sparrow. She was very hard-working. Every morning she picked up seeds with her beak and planted them in the field. After days and nights of work, her farm became lush and green. When the crops ripened, she chirped with joy. Wow, my hard work has paid off. Now my year will be good. One day a falcon passed by in the sky. His eyes fell on the field below. What a delicious crop! It will be mine! He swooped down and ate the entire crop. The sparrow cried. All her hard work was gone. The sparrow, worried, decided to call the police. She flew to the bird police station where Officer Parrot was sitting. The sparrow said, "Sir, a falcon has taken away all my crop." The parrot said, "Don't worry, we'll catch him." Officer Parrot called his team, Crow Constable, Dove Inspector, and Minor Reporter. All searched the sky until they saw the falcon sitting on a tree, eating the sparrow's crop. "Falcon, you are under arrest." The falcon tried to fly away, but Dove Inspector threw a net over his wings. The falcon was caught. The police brought the falcon to the sparrow's field. Return her crop and never steal someone's hard work again. The falcon felt ashamed and returned the crop. The sparrow thanked them happily. Hard work never goes to waste, and justice always prevails. After that day, the sparrow farmed with more courage, and the falcon promised to work hard himself. They both lived in peace and happiness.